Hey, what is going on, guys? Demboyz back here with another episode of Demboyz DIY. Today's episode, we are finishing up furnishing our living room. With the living room being such a focal point in our house, and with the ceilings high and everything like that, we wanted a comfortable place to entertain when we had guests over. And sectionals, I always thought were the most comfortable. You can fit a lot of people on this couch, and when you're not entertaining, you and another person can lounge quite comfortably. If both people want to lay down, you can. You have enough room for that, and I think sectionals are the best bet for that. Now, as I said, this is an assembly video, so I'll go over each one after I let the video play out. Now this particular sectional is from STRUCTUBE. It's called the ARIANE, and I've had it for a couple of weeks now, and I've had the chance to break it in and everything like that. Some cons with the sectional is the build quality. It seems to only be above average, and that's what you're kind of paying for for this price point. It's a pretty good price point. I noticed that one of the back braces on one of the ends is already giving way. Now I would chalk that up to me just being a big guy and putting my weight on it, but on the other hand, Mel, who's like not even half my size, was putting weight on it, and the back brace seemed to give way to her as well. Now it came in 2 parts, and installation was fairly easy, but you do have to decide at the store whether you want it left facing or right facing. STRUCTUBE was a good middle point between somewhere like an IKEA, more affordable place, and on the high-end restoration hardware. It lies somewhere in the middle. The price point is good, and the design and aesthetics are really appealing. So I'd say it was a good balance between appeasing aesthetic and affordability. But I still have to use it enough to really give you a good verdict on that. Now we were particularly picky about our bar stools. I remember for the longest time we would go into places and we just wouldn't find ones. Mel was particularly picky about round bases, and she wanted the individual freestanding 4-prong chairs. I remember we were looking for a long time, and one day we just walked into the Brick, and one of the chairs was on sale for practically free, and all we had to do was pay for 2 other ones of the exact same model. I'm not sure why one was just on sale. We liked the really simplistic look of it, but it was also sturdy when we sat on it. Me being a bigger guy, I kind of needed that sturdiness, but the price is where it got us. We got one basically for free, and we just had to pay for 2 more. So after a few weeks of breaking it in, I have to say I'm pretty happy with this purchase. It's sturdy, it's simple, it fits in with our kind of whole living room aesthetic. Combined with the 1 bar stool we basically got for free, I'd say I'm happy with this purchase. All in all, I was pretty happy with the purchases. Less so with STRUCTUBE, but I was very impressed with the Brick. I think I'll make a part 2 because we did get a dining room, and we also got a rug and a coffee table to finish out our living room setup, so it pulls in the room a lot nicer. Video gets good reception, I'll make part 2, but also let me know if you like this series. It's a pretty new series, Demboyz DIY, and I enjoy making these, but if you guys want me to make more, just let me know in the comments below, or just give it a thumbs up and it'll let me know, and it'll inform me that you guys really enjoy this series. that was it for furniture in our living room. I'll post the links and the descriptions of the furniture and pieces of furniture in the description box below. But if you guys like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Hit that bell notification for updates. We out.